in Punjabi we say, dane dane te more hondi. Would you please explain, is it true in Islam or does it apply to Islam at all? I don't know. And then I will ask another question, please.
But if you permit me, personalize it too. In case of, in your case, in the case of your in-law, if this is true, then the maximum number of danas are allotted to you. Is that not right?
I don't know, I'm asking questions.
Fine?
I'm asking questions.
Have you heard my answer? If your claim is correct, that dana de more hundi hai, then those 10 danas have gone to the maximum in your, to the share of you and your family-in-law.
Yes, I think you're right.
Yes, right. Because your in-laws are known to be for large appetites and good taste in food. Is that correct? So next question.